Hello friends, I am Malini from bitsobling.com. Today we are going to learn to make these beautiful earrings with the help of paper. They are very easy to make. You can easily make them in your home. So let's start. For this project we will need 3 mm quilling paper in two colors, peach and black. We will also need a flat nose pliers, round border body, white glue, quilling tool, 2 jump rings and 2 fish hooks in golden color and a plastic base. Firstly, I will take one strip of peach color quilling paper, then make it half like this. So with this half strip, now I will take my border body, and you can see I have marked here ABCD for ease of work. So I will take the eye marking circle and I will roll this half strip with this eye marked circle. I will take small amount of glue to secure the end. Then I will roll this paper along with this circle. The rolling should be neither too tight nor too loose. When the rolling is completed, apply a little glue and attach the end here. Then your circle is ready. Release it from the border body. Here the circle is ready. Now I will pinch the circle from one side to make the petal of the flower. Here one petal is ready. I have to make 6 such petals. My 6 petals for the flower are ready. Now for the center of the flower, take one black strip and make a tight coil with the help of the quilling tool. Like this we are making a tight coil. I have finished rolling this one, so I will secure the end with little amount of glue. Always take glue at minimum level possible so that it won't mess your project. Now my tight coil is ready. I will release it from my quilling tool. Here the tight coil is ready. I will smooth the surface with the quilling tool like this. This will smoothen out the surface. Now the center piece is ready. I will attach the petals with it. I will take petals one by one and smear some glue over it like this, and I will attach with the center piece. I will take another petal and smear some glue. So I will attach all 6 of them like this. Now my flower is ready. For the side circles, I will take 1/4 black quilling strip and I will make a tight coil. We need 6 such tight coils for the side circle. I have made 6 such tight coils. Now I will take the flower and I will attach these circles, these tight coils with the flower. Take a small amount of glue and attach the tight coils like this. Now my earring is ready. I will attach jump ring and fish hook with it. First, open the jump ring, attach the jump ring with one petal, take the fish hook, attach it with it and close the jump ring with the help of the flat nose plier, like this. Close it properly so that no gap is there. Now my earring is ready. I have made another such earring. They are very pretty and you can easily make them in your home. So that's it. Thank you.